The HP 24DPO224 is a 23.8-inch all-in-one PC that's been gaining attention for its sleek design and solid specs. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 4500U processor, paired with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, offering a good balance of performance and responsiveness for everyday tasks like productivity, media consumption, and light creative work. The display is a full HD IPS panel with a three-sided micro-edge design, providing slim bezels and a modern look. The anti-glare screen reduces reflections, and the 10-point touch input is a plus for users who like interacting directly with their display. Performance-wise, the Ryzen 5 CPU handles multitasking smoothly, making web browsing, office applications, streaming, and light editing feel snappy. The 1TB NVMe SSD ensures fast boot times and ample storage for files, programs, and media. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics are sufficient for casual gaming and high-definition content, though they won't match a dedicated GPU. The 8GB RAM is adequate for most users, and there's room for upgrades if you need more memory for demanding tasks. The HP 24DPO224 also features a pop-up privacy camera, which retracts when not in use, adding an extra layer of security for video calls. Dual-array microphones capture voice clearly, and front-facing speakers deliver decent sound quality for a desktop all-in-one. Connectivity options include multiple USB ports, a 3-in-1 media card reader, HDMI out for a second monitor, Gigabit Ethernet, and Wi-Fi with Bluetooth support. Build quality is solid, with a stand that allows screen tilt and a compact footprint suitable for home or office setups. Users generally praise its ease of use, clean design, and speed, though some note minor drawbacks like fan noise and the default 8GB RAM. While internal upgrades are more limited compared to traditional desktops, the SSD and RAM can be expanded if needed. Overall, the HP 24DPO224 is worth considering for general productivity, media, and home office use. Its large SSD, quality display, and sleek design make it a compelling all-in-one solution. For gamers or professionals needing a powerful GPU, a different setup may be preferable, but for most users, this PC delivers excellent value and performance. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides.